Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. I'm going to talk to you today about when to pick wild strawberries. Now, if you happen to live in an area where you have wild strawberries growing actually wild on a hillside, in your yard, in a vacant lot, then you're super lucky. I actually have some strawberries here that are cultivated wild strawberries. So these are strawberries that you might find on a hillside where wild strawberries grow. And usually wild strawberries are a little bit smaller than a traditional strawberry plant that you're going to buy in a nursery center. But these have actually been cultivated so that way you can have wild strawberries in your garden. And most of the time strawberries will start to bloom and bear fruit in early, late spring, depending on whether you have late frost or not. Where I live in Los Angeles, strawberries come into season usually in March. And depending on the type of strawberry, whether it is a summer or June bearing strawberry, which means you'll get one big crop, or an ever-bearing strawberry where you'll get strawberries throughout the season, will determine on when the strawberry fruit will actually ripen. So on here you'll see a white immature strawberry, and next to it one that is nice and red on the bottom, but if you look at the top of the strawberry, it's still pretty pale. So like a regular strawberry that you would pick from your garden, you want to make sure that it's nice and evenly red before you pick it, because then it will be at the peak of sweetness. Once you've picked the strawberry, it will stop ripening and all it will do is get soft and then rotten, but it won't get any sweeter or any riper. So wait until you're actually ready to eat them. And I also like to pick them early in the morning when it's a little bit cooler, so that way you don't have to worry about them getting too soft. And strawberries should be kept refrigerated, but not washed until you eat them, because again, the moisture will kind of get sucked in. Strawberries are like little sponges and they'll just suck in any moisture and get too soft and soggy. So if you have any other questions about when to pick wild strawberries, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.